Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to check your Bank of America account number. So whether you are setting up a new direct deposit for work, linking a payment app, or transferring funds, you are going to need your full Bank of America account number. For your security, the bank automatically hides these digits behind asterisks on your main screen. So guys, first open up your Bank of America app on your smartphone as said on this little tutorial, and log in using your Face ID, fingerprint or passcode. Then guys, so you just need to look underneath your account balance at the top of the screen. This is going to be somewhat of your interface on your phone. You'll see the account name followed by a masked number showing only the last 4 digits. Or you will just have it like here. As you can see, we have account number and routing number. And if you want to unveil it, of course you'll need to click on this tab. And depending on the app version that you're using, right next to those digits, look for a small link or eye icon that says Show. Give that a tap, pass a quick security or biometric verification scan if the app asks for it, and your full account number will instantly display on the screen. Alright, and if you're using a computer instead, you can just log in here, provide your zip code, and they will give you a tutorial based on your particular region. So under the account details, at a pane, once you log in, you'll spot your masked account number. Simply click the blue show link right next to it to display the full string. If you don't have internet access right now, you can also find this info instantly on a physical paper check. That is it. Now you have your exact numbers, guys, and you can link your accounts and handle your transfers safely. Enjoy the guide as always. Thank you for watching.